Strolling around through Milan, bus number 60 to the Duomo Cathedral. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Strolling Around channel. Usually, I would suggest taking the metro subway, as it is faster to reach places in Milan. But today, for this video, let's do something different. We're ditching the subway and hopping on a bus ride in Milan. I will show you how to take and enjoy taking the public bus in Milan. We'll do a journey from Centrale station to the iconic Duomo Cathedral, soaking up the city sights and sharing some handy tips along the way. Planning our bus adventure. First thing first, let's open up our trusty Google Map. Tap on Centrale Station as our departure, and under destination, we set to the Duomo Cathedral. Then, special for this video, I choose the bus as the mode of public transport. Within a second, and the magic of technology, it shows us that bus number 60 is our bus for the day. Finding the bus stop. Step outside the Milan Centrale station and walk your way towards the main street right in front of Piazza Duca d'Aosta. Look ahead and you will see two bus stops where you can take bus number 60. So which one is our stop? The bus stop we need to go is the one further, and we will need to cross the street first. How to know which bus stop you need to go when taking a public bus? Trying to find which bus stop going in your direction? Then, here's another tips. You can always check the direction map at the bus stop to see the route and ensure you are boarding the right bus. For this video, we are taking bus number 60. Let's check on the direction map. Are we on the right stop? Pay attention to the arrows showing the direction of bus 60 on this stop, departing from Centrale and heading to Duomo, which means we are on the right bus stop. Don't forget to peek at the information screen. It displays in real time bus arrival times, so you can relax and avoid any unnecessary waiting. While waiting for our bus to arrive, let's talk about tickets. We need to have our ticket to ride any public transport in Milan. Otherwise, a hefty fine is waiting for you upon inspection. So let's talk about tickets. You can buy your ticket on any ticket machine, usually located at a metro subway entrance. I will link a video explaining more about the ticket machine. But if you don't like going to the subway station just to buy a ticket to take a bus, don't worry, I got you. You can always make ticket payments with bank cards or NFC from your phone on board any bus or tram in Milan. Or you can also download the official ticketing app ATM. Once on board, it's a must to pay or validate your ticket if you already have one. You can validate a paper ticket purchased beforehand using this orange box located near the front door and rear door. Just insert and pick it up again your ticket on this yellow inlet. Now we've got the ticket covered. I invite you to tap that like button and subscribe to this channel as I try to find myself a seat. Why choose the bus over the subway? The answer is simple: sightseeing, enjoying the city unfold throughout the window. You'll see people going about their day. charming building, and maybe even stumble upon hidden gems along our ride. Snagging a front seat offers the best panoramic view, but any seat, even standing, provides a window to the city's soul. Remember, pressing the stop button alerts the driver of your next stop request. But for this ride, you don't have to worry. We'll be taking this bus number 60 all the way to its final stop. And here we are, the final stop of bus number 60. I'd say this final stop wins all the best awards for getting to Milan city center by bus. Just a few steps away from final stop of bus number 60 lies the awe-inspiring Piazza Duomo. And now we are looking at the Duomo Cathedral. This isn't just any cathedral. Construction began in the year of 1386 and took nearly 600 years to complete to this majestic final form. So there you have it. We strolled through Milan using the bus number 60, arriving at the Duomo Cathedral. Remember to like this video, watch more videos, and subscribe to Strolling Around channel. I will see you on the next video. Ci vediamo. Ciao!